In today's video, we're gonna go through everything that I ate in the city of Mexico. Come along with me on my vacation with my brother and my family. There was a bunch of good, awesome things that we ate, and this was first at the airport when we arrived. It was like a French bakery slash eatery. So we had to get some coffee from Mexico, of course. The coffee here, it's a hit and miss depending on where you go. You want to make sure that you're actually ordering the local coffee instead of Starbucks, because Starbucks was a total disappointment for me. It was not good at all. We made sure that we stopped by the Italian coffee company. This is actually the best coffee in Mexico. Please do not go to Starbucks. You gotta get this one. The Italian coffee company. One night we went out to dinner to this like cool little spot in the middle of nowhere. It was kind of like an hacienda, which was a huge tent, but it has windows. It was weird, but the food here was delicious. Like, this was one of the places that I really had an awesome meal. And here is my meal. So this is traditional dish in Mexico. It comes in this stone bowl, which is called el molcajete. It had cactus, meats, cheeses. It was sizzling. My brother got the same thing. And then everybody else orders something different. And of course, you cannot go anywhere in Mexico without having to try the street tacos. And here we're eating at the side of the road somewhere, but my sister said that this was the best taco, so we had to try them. We're eating some tacos right now. They definitely didn't disappoint. They were really good, delicious, and of course, the Coke in Mexico actually tastes better than the US. I don't know what it is, regulation, sugar, whatever they put on it, but it was actually really good. And of course, I'm on vacation. I needed to try everything that they had to offer in Mexico. You guys, my brother is so funny. He was definitely enjoying this trip as well.
These are really tiny little fries from McDonald's for the kids meal. Look at the size of these things. They're so tiny, but they get yogurt in their kids meal. And I'm eating, what are they called?
Monkey papas.
Monkey papas, which has fried chicken with french fries. That's what we're eating today. We're dipping it into ranch and habanero ranch too. Got Chinese tea, passion fruit, maracuya.
Yeah.
Passion fruit. To wash down this. Oh, you see the size of that straw?
Flip it like this. That's a big apple.
You have to go like this.
That did not look good.
Look at the good feel toy.
That concludes our trip to Mexico. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I obviously was not watching my diet at all. Of course, I wanted to enjoy all the local food. Make sure that we took advantage of everything. All the food was really good. Coffee, however, I was so surprised that the Starbucks down there almost has like no caffeine on it. I don't know how franchises do it in other countries, but I was definitely disappointed with Starbucks down there. It was not good at all. It almost tasted like it was super watered down, and I did not enjoy that coffee. So just a little hint, if you decide to go and visit Mexico, do not order Starbucks if you like your caffeine. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed coming along with me on my trip to Mexico. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much again for watching. I appreciate it, all the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.